Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm at Chili's, which is an American grill bar. I'm coming here for the first time. I've heard a lot about it, and so I thought I'll check out some exotic cuisines over here and give you reviews of it. So come with me. So we are at Chili's. This is in Hiranandani, Powai, Mumbai. बड़ा स्टोर है. एम्बियंस इसकी बहुत वाइब्रेंट एंड कूल है. You can talk for hours and hours. It has a mini bar with lot of drink choices. I wanted to check out faita here, specifically. Faita बहुत famous है and it's a Mexican dish. But most of the Mexican dishes they say are close to Indian dishes in terms of spice level. So let's see हम लोगों ने क्या क्या ऑर्डर किया यहाँ पे. Yes, faita, that is what I've come for. So we started with soup. The soup is very filling, creamy, and it is a chicken and mushroom soup with a breadstick. काफ़ी filling है, मतलब आप सिर्फ ये भी खा लोगे तो I don't think you need much. Then these nacho chips with salsa sauce and avocado sauce. ये भी बहुत tasty था. And they keep filling the chips, not the avocado sauce. You know the reasons, avocados are very costly. Then this snacks platter, which has different kind of non-veg snacks with sauces, different types of sauces. And ye bacche ke liye pizza. And then this is the king, which is the fajita. It comes with dressing, this dressing you can see, and bread. Bread is like a chapati in Indian thing you can say, but it is very thin. So overall it was yum and it was a must try dish, and most of their dishes are close to Indian taste. So go check it out. Thanks for watching.